What's up, everybody? It's Roger ShArkotic. I'm here with my wife, Melissa.
Woo! ShArkotic in the house, y'all!
Guess what happened to me today? I came home from work and a good friend of mine, James Dickey, left some frozen flounder at my doorstep. So we came home and we were like, how do we do this some justice?
The right ShArkotic style.
Right, so what we're gonna do is do a little bit of a dish called Flounder Meuniere. We're gonna go a little French with it, alright? We're gonna get a little fancy.
Put some Caribbean style in it, baby cakes.
Yeah. So we're gonna add a few things to what is typically Flounder Meuniere. But before we get started with the cooking, we got to do it a little bit Caribbean way. And we got some Johnny Walker in a glass, and we're gonna cheers to that. Because we are cooking fresh fish after all, courtesy of James Dickey. Appreciate it, brother. And feel free to follow this recipe. And if you want to tweak it how you like, make it how you like, because by the end of the way, it got to go into your belly. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna start showing you guys step by step on how we do Flounder Meuniere with a little bit of a Caribbean twist to it.
Yeah, you guys are ready?
Alright guys, so we're gonna start off with the ingredients list. Okay, so what I'm gonna show you is, if you zoom down into here, parsley is the main ingredient. You need a lemon, and how we're doing a Caribbean twist is that we're adding this thing. It's called bandania, shatabani, or spirit weed, depending on what region you're from. And we're gonna add a little bit of habanero to it. We also have some pepper. We also have some salt. We're using the pink Himalayan salt, a stick of butter, and flour, and of course, some olive oil.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna chop up these parsley and bandania together along with the habanero for the extra spice. So what I like to do is, you see how long the strand is? I like to blend it together. We're gonna chop it up very finely. So as finely as possible, we're gonna chop this up. And then what I'm gonna do is include the pepper halfway into this. Okay guys, so I have all of my fillets set in the tray. So what I'm going to do is take out all of the excess water from the front and the back. Then I'm going to salt and pepper the front and the back. And then flour it and put it in the frying tray, guys.
So she just added salt, now she's gonna add pepper. Then she's gonna flip the fillets and repeat. Alright guys, so we just added a little bit of olive oil to the pot, and we're gonna let that sit on medium-high heat until we start seeing a little bit of smoke come out of it. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take these beautiful fillets, we're gonna dip them into the flour and put them into the pot. Alright guys, so we got these beautiful fillets, they're seasoned. We're gonna come here into our flour. We're gonna flour both sides. And we're gonna now drop them into our olive oil pot that is ready for frying. We're gonna fry these until they have a nice golden sheen coming up from the bottom to the top. Then we're gonna flip it. We don't want to overcook the fish. We don't want rubbery fish. Nice and beautiful. See that color? That's the color you're looking for. Alright, so we have our fillets fried. Now we're gonna go back to the pot that we fried it in, and we're gonna wipe up all of this stuff here because it's no longer needed. We're going to do something else now. We're going to add butter with all that seasoning we talked about earlier. So, take all that out. Come over here. We're going to grab this butter right here. And I'll throw this butter into here. Turn the heat up. We'll let that butter sit.
Does him like to turn the heat up?
Butter get in there. So so now that we have our butter going, we're gonna go back to these seasonings that we cut up earlier. We're gonna add all of this to our butter. That's the parsley, the chatabani, spirit weed, or culantro, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna add that to our butter. We're also going to squeeze all this lime juice into it. What we're doing is we're creating a really nice, beautiful glaze for this fish. And this is going to get served on top of our fish. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to reduce this down as much as we can. Very nice and aromatic. And this is just going to go on top of our fish when we serve our fish. Alright, so this is simmered down quite beautifully. We're going to go to our fish now. And all we're going to do is just add just a bit there to it. Smells amazing. And we're going to add mashed potatoes and some stewed vegetables that we had prepared to the side earlier. And this is basically a very quick and simple flounder dish that you can make that is absolutely beautiful.
Well, there you guys have it, flounder meuniere. I'm ready to devour this.
Alright guys, so there you have it. Flounder Meuniere, okay? So go out there, catch your flounder, and get your Meuniere on.
Yeah!
Let's try it. Dig in.